In this video, we're going to set up the integration between Zoho Campaigns and Zoho CRM. Once it is set up, you will be able to see CRM information in Campaigns, as well as campaign information in the CRM. Let's click on Contacts and open the Sync services. There are many other apps you can sync with Campaigns to import contacts, including other Zoho apps like Zoho Books and Zoho Desk. If you're going to send campaigns to records that you already have in any of these apps, you can set that up here. To connect the CRM, click on Associate New Account. In this new window, click on Continue. The CRM account has been connected. Now we have to sync our records. Let's click on New Sync. And we're going to start with the leads. If you want to add all your leads to a list, you can create one. We're going to go over lists in a different video. In this case, I'm going to select None. The subscription is going to be Marketing. If you select non-marketing, you won't be able to send emails to these contacts. We're going to select marketing as a topic. We will cover topics in a different video. This toggle allows us to choose if you want to update the campaign records when the CRM records field information is blank. In my case, I'm going to turn it on. Under advanced options, we can use the opt-out settings from the CRM to exclude or remove contacts from campaigns. In this case, I have disabled the opt-out field in the CRM, so these settings are not available. Let's click on Next. And here we can map the fields. I don't have any more fields I need to map regarding leads, so I'm going to initiate the sync. All right, this is going to take some time, so let's sync our CRM contacts. Back to the CRM sync settings, and click on Add Sync. The module is going to be Contacts. We're going to leave the sync list empty, and the subscription type is going to be marketing. The topic is marketing as well. And let's toggle this one on as well. We have the same advanced options as before. This looks good, so let's click on Next. In this window, we can map the fields. Right now, we are seeing the contact fields, but we can also map account and deal fields. It is important to understand what fields we will need and map them all in this window. For example, if you're planning to send campaigns based on deal information, you have to map the deal fields that will allow you to filter the contacts that you want to target. To add a new field, click on Map More Fields. Here, we're going to find the client type field and check the new field box. This will create a new field in campaigns. Add. And now let's review the account fields. They all look good, so let's move to the deal fields. All the fields we need have been mapped, so we're going to initiate the sync. Now, if we go back to the lead sync and click on Sync History, we can see that 13 new contacts have been synced. They are the leads from the CRM. And if we go to All Contacts, we can see all the contacts that have been synced so far. Keep in mind that you can edit the sync settings if you need to. Now I'm going to show you how to sync Zoho Books. So open the Sync services, scroll down to find Zoho Books, and click on Associate New Account. Continue. And now scroll down again and click on New Sync. We're going to add a description and select the organization. Here we can filter contacts if we don't want to sync them all, but in this case, we're going to sync them all. In mailing list, you can create one called Zoho Books Contacts. In my case, I'm going to leave it empty. And the topic is going to be marketing. Save and continue. Here we can map any fields we need from Zoho Books. Save and continue. We're going to sync contacts on a weekly basis. And we're going to retrieve all the data. All right, let's click on Initiate. And the sync has started. If a contact was already added to campaigns, the new sync will update the contact information. We also have an e-commerce tab. Here we can connect to our online store. Let's click on Proceed. If you use any of these three platforms, you can integrate them here and configure workflows and campaigns. Let's open the settings and click on Apps under Integration. Earlier, we reviewed the apps that can sync contacts with campaigns. In this section, we can find all the apps that work with Zoho Campaigns. Some of them won't sync any contacts, but they provide extra functionality. For example, you can connect any SMS app to send text message campaigns from Zoho Campaigns. But keep in mind that Zoho Campaigns can also send text messages without a third-party app. You can configure it here.